If you're looking at the Shopify theme store right now, trying to choose a free theme, then there's something that you really need to understand. You might be looking at this page, their free themes page, and there are 23 different themes listed on this page, right? So you might think that you have a wide range of options. But in fact, most of these are actually just duplicates. They are pre-designed variations of the same two themes. And those two themes are Dawn, which was the default theme from 2021 to about 2025, and the new default theme, Horizon, right? So those are the two free themes that Shopify actually offers. And all of these themes listed here are a pre-design of one of those two themes. What do I mean by a pre-design? Well, let's take a look at Dawn, for example. I actually already made a video about this a couple of years ago, where I explained that all the Dawn-based themes, the Dawn family of themes, are the exact same code. And you might not care about the code, but the settings are the same. The customizations available to you, the sections and blocks that you can use are exactly the same. And you can make any of the Dawn family themes look identical to one another. So now that we have Horizon, we have the Horizon family of themes, right? And you can see that on the theme store as well. You have the Horizon themes. And they've actually made this a little bit less confusing, I think, a bit more clear. One system, 10 new themes, right? They're all Horizon theme, they're all the same theme, and these are pre-designed styles of it. And that can be useful to you because you can choose one of these because it matches your aesthetic more, because you like the look of it. But understand that the options, the settings that you have in each of these are going to be exactly the same. However, they're going to be very different from Dawn and from all the Dawn-based themes. So the real choice that you need to make when you're looking at a free theme is simply between Dawn and Horizon, right? That's the main choice that you need to make. And then only after that, maybe you've chosen Dawn or Horizon, then you can look at the variations of each theme and decide which aesthetic, which colors, which typography suits you better. But understand that you can make any of them look like the other ones. So if you choose, for example, Fabric, but later you decide that you like Ritual more, you don't need to switch to Ritual. You can just customize Fabric to look a bit more like Ritual. So out of these 23 themes, which ones are Dawn and which ones are Horizon? That's not listed anywhere, so I'll just list that in this video, and I'll put that list in the video description as well. And so as I said, the real choice that you have to make is between Dawn and Horizon. I feel like I could make a whole video on that topic. Maybe I should, let me know. But the first thing you should understand is that Dawn is the old default theme and Horizon is the new one. Horizon is much more flexible, right? So it uses the new Shopify theme blocks system. Theme blocks are basically just smaller pieces of content that you can drag around. So if you've used Shopify before, you know we have sections in Shopify, and you can move them up and down the page. Sections are usually full width, whereas blocks are smaller units of content. So it just makes Horizon more customizable. You can make a more unique design with it. And it's more like a page builder. If you've ever used a page builder in maybe WordPress, Elementor or something like that, you know, something where you drag and drop a design. Now, that does make Horizon a little bit more complicated, a little bit more difficult to work with. And particularly if you're not a designer, like me, I'm not a designer, I'm a developer. I'm not that good at design, and I feel like with Horizon, I can make my store more ugly than I can with Dawn, you know? Yeah, because Dawn really guides you. Dawn is far more simple, and it guides you towards a good design. Like, there isn't that much that you can change in Dawn compared to Horizon. You know, don't get me wrong, Dawn is very customizable as well, like any Shopify theme. But yeah, Dawn just guides you with the design a bit more. It's simpler. It's also a bit easier for developers to work with, I think, as a developer. You know, I don't really enjoy working with Horizon. I think it's a bit overcomplicated. That all being said, Horizon is the default theme nowadays. And if you want to future-proof your store, you know, I'd still lean towards Horizon, unless you specifically want Dawn for its simplicity. Maybe you want to launch as soon as possible. Maybe Dawn would be the one to go with. So I recommend playing around with both Dawn and Horizon, both those default themes. And after you've decided which one you like more, that's when you can have a look at the Shopify theme store again and choose one of those themes that suits your aesthetic. It should just be thought of as a starting point that is a bit closer to what your branding is, right? So that you don't have to change that much. Please leave a like if you found the video useful and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know if you have any questions below. See you in the next one.